साहिल साहिल
आगे नंबर
आशीष खाली आशीष yes खाली 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 आशीष हाँ साहिलच्या जागी आशीष
All set. It's going to be Arya on strike. Sood at the non-striking end. Cheesy Super Kings have won the toss and they're going to be bowling first. 3, 2, 1, playtime. Let's play. Channel bowling. In that channel outside the off stump. Chinmay. He angles the ball in and after pitching, the ball goes the other way. It's clean bowled. They've got that big first wicket. Arya is back in the hut. -5. In comes Sanchit. The other night he played a good hand, Sanchit, so he'll have to continue from where he left the other night. -5 straight away. You may call it a half chance. Down the leg side, quite the right call. Oh, that is just what the doctor ordered. A blazing 6 off the blade of Sanchit. The score in the end of over number 1, that is 3. Amit, that 6 was off the blade of Amit. Very well done, very well done. 3 for 1 at the end of the first over. I have to. Two dot balls. Picks up a single of the third delivery, so 5 for 1 over number 2. Decides to come in around the wicket. Oh, that is very well played. 3 important runs added into the declared zone. With those 3 runs, the score on to 8. 8 for 1 after the end of 2 overs. The match is in a state of equilibrium. इस मैच के टॉस को जीता था चीजी सुपर किंग्स ने और गेंदबाजी का चयन किया है, जबकि 2 ओवर समाप्त हो चुके हैं। रन संख्या 8 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। काफी क्रिकेट खेलना अभी भी बाकी है इस मॉर्निंग सेशन का। ये तीसरा मैच, इसके बाद और एक मैच खेलना बाकी है और फिर शाम का सेशन शुरू होगा 6 बजे। Well bowled and well played. Driven downtown. They pick up a single. That single takes the score to 9. It's Bharat bowling. Sanchit on strike. Complete dead ball. He'll have to re-bowl this delivery. Well fielded. The ball ricocheting off his feet into the net. That single easily taken will take the score to 12. Oh, what a brilliant piece of fielding by Abhishek. He cannot keep him out of the game for a long time. He always wants to be in the thick of things. That would have been a blinder if he had to collect it. Very well fielded. 14 for 1 after 3 overs. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 14 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर दोनों टीम्स समांतर स्थिति में है. बराबरी का मौका है दोनों टीम्स के पास इस मैच में मोमेंटम गैदर करने का. ऑर्गेनाइजर्स की तरफ से फिर से एक बार सभी क्रिकेट श्रोताओं का तहे दिल से स्वागत है. स्पेशली अ वार्म वेलकम टू एवरीबॉडी वाचिंग द मैच ऑन यूट्यूब wherever you are. डे नंबर 2 द मॉर्निंग सेशन. इसके बाद और एक मैच शेष है और फिर शाम को 5 मैचेस खेलने हैं. ये एक्सरसाइज कल भी रिपीट होगा संडे मॉर्निंग. वी स्टार्ट एट 7. Sanchit and Amit Trivedi play going by the book. They are doing what needs to be done at the moment. Both the batters are looking clinical. They are being very business-like. The bare minimum that you want on board is something in the region of 34-35. A 17 for 1. Oh, that is a freak dismissal. That ball ricocheting off the feet of the fielder and nicely taken. 13 for 2 with that wicket, -5. Thirteen for 2. One ball left in over number 4. It's Amrish, the new man in Prasad. Oh, that has been referred upstairs. That will be interesting viewing. That could be touch and go. Definitely will be a case of touch and go. There you go. The slow motion is gone. That is out. A -5. The score is 8 for 3 after 4. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद केवल 8 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. That's a no ball, so it's going to be a free hit. 2 runs added. 11 for 3. Kalpesh to Shreyas. Thirteen for 3. Over number 5 underway. 4 balls to go. Match number 3, day number 2 of the APL season 5. Yet one more no ball. A free hit to Prasad. Punching it away into that mid-off area. The score at the end of 5 overs is 19 for 3. The final 18 balls to come. 19 for 3. A big thank you to the sponsor of the Exquisite Premier League 2024, that is Mr. Dipesh Nigam, Dhanlakshmi Group. A big thank you to Dhanlakshmi Group. The support and patronage provided by Dhanlakshmi Group has been a big blessing for the organizing committee. Abhishek back into the scheme of things. Bowling over number 6. The man on strike, Shreyas. The ball ricocheting off the stumps into the side net. With that single, score on to 20. 17 balls left in this innings of selective 11.
Come on, guys. Abhishek, come on. Aega.
Quite the right call. That was the wasteful toss. For a moment, he thought about throwing the ball at the non-striking, and in the end, decides against it. 24 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर.
Come on, wicket Jay.
Abhishek to Shreyas. Good bit of work by Abhishek.
Fielding, fielding.
Score remains on 24. The premeditated sweep shot nicely executed. 25 for 3. The final ball coming up. Over number 6. That's a no ball, and this could be close. It's a no ball and is out. -5. Negative scoring. After the deduction, that is 21 for 4. 21 for 4. After the deduction. It is 21.
He's already out. The umpire is saying that out है ना, anyways out है. Clear out. You? He's holding the ball, no?
Hold, umpire, please hold.
But review का umpire बोला time out हो गया. Anyway. बॉल हाथ में रहना चाहिए. बॉल हाथ में ही था.
Score after 6 overs, 22 for 4. 12 गेंदानी शेष है. 12 गेंदों में कम से कम और 16 से 18 रन्स बनाना चाहेंगे. Anything in the region of 36 plus will be a fighting total. 36 plus is the bare minimum that Shreyas will be looking to put on the board. End of 6 overs, 22 for 4. The match is evenly poised at the moment. Well driven. 23. 11 to go. KP arrives at the wicket. It's a no ball, so 2 runs added. That is a free siren. Oh, what a fantastic pick up and throw. No says the umpire, not interested. इस अपील को खारिज किया है. छब्बीस रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर, जबकि प्रगति पथ पर है ओवर नंबर 7. It's been referred upstairs into the third umpire's box.
अंदर ही लगा आई थिंक कल्पेश भाई को लगा कि बाहर है।
जा रहा था अच्छा, अरे स्लिप हो रहा है यार
रन आउट होगा ना हाँ 6 तो यार वो तो बनता है अगर पकड़ लिया होता तो मतलब कैच होता टूर्नामेंट
इनके जो हस्बैंड है ना
हाँ
इन्होंने लास्ट ईयर नहीं लास्ट ईयर ही टुक सिंगल हैंडेडली बेस्ट कैच ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट प्लेट सो फार। हाँ भाव कैलाश भी था लेकिन भाव का तो कैसा था ना पूरा कूद के पकड़ा था उसने एक बार
आउट है नहीं
हाँ
Not out.
चलो कोई नहीं आ जाओ
That single takes the score to 28. KPN Shreyas Raut with that single 29 it is, so one ball to go. That was the faster one, very well bowled. End of over number 7, 29 for 4 it is. The final 6 balls to come, that is the compulsory super over. Obviously the mool mantra for KPN Shreyas will be not to lose a wicket. Treat the bowling on its merit. Do not take unwarranted risk. You do not want a minus 10 now. Whatever you score in this over will be doubled. What you got to read between the lines is that minus 10 will be the negative marking if you lose a wicket in the super over. So that is the last thing you want. Chinmay bowling the first and the last over. He's getting some extra turn with that wide run. The score 33. .34 with that single. 35 now, 37 because the runs have been doubled. 37. That's a wide run. The left and right hand combination is doing the trick here. 45 for 4, the last ball coming up. 47. The set target is 50 runs to win the match. 50 runs after being invited to bat, setting a target of 50 is a fantastic job. Very well done by the batting team. Not bad. Not a bad effort by the batting team. Shreyas Raut and KP doing the job. The set target for team Cheesy Super Kings is 50 runs to win the match. auctions, a lot of players have had to shift their bases, and that is what to make things more important, more exciting. That is the beauty of the tournament, when the frontline players, the key players, so when they shift bases, the tournament really starts to be more exciting.
Batsman.
All set, yes, the final indication coming along. The umpires in all readiness. 50 runs to win the match is the target for team Cheesy Super Kings. Definitely a tough ask, but not an impossible one. Playtime. Right up there when the block hole starts off with a spot on delivery. Jignashu and Ayush, the two batters. Shiv bowling. Oh, is firing the deliveries. Is bowling in the block hole. That is one of his stock deliveries, firing the one into the block hole. He's doing it perfectly at the moment. Quite the right call. Anything down the leg side, even an inch down the leg side, will invariably be called a wide one. Till the time the umpires are absolutely consistent with their calling, there shouldn't be any problem for any team. He gets his man. The first man gone, -5. So now not 50 to win, but now 55 to win. 54 because there was one wide run. The score at the moment is -3. Score at the end of the first over, -3. So 42 balls and 53 to win the match. That is Kailash to bowl now. A left arm round the wicket. The man on strike, Jignashu. That's a no ball, so it's a bonus time. A free hit, -2. Very well played, such a good shot, making optimum use of the free hit. 3 important runs added from the negative to the positive. 1 for 1. The game plan is to bowl the full length deliveries. That is the strategy that has been carved out by the fielding team, to bowl the full length deliveries. One for 1, over number 2 underway. That is Kailash bowling to Jignashu. But that single the score on to 2 now. 2 runs, 2 for 1. 50 runs to win the match. You got to pick up those catches in your follow through. Wasn't that tough a chance? That's a no ball and nicely dispatched away. 3 plus 1, 4 important runs added. 7 for 1, over number 2. It's a free hit. What a shot! They are up and away. The match on, the game on with that 6. The match in a state of equilibrium. किसी के भी पक्ष में ये मैच जा गिर सकता है. बहुत ही तगड़ा मुकाबला. तलवारें खींची गई है. ऐलान जंग की यलगार. What a match! 13 for 1. Looking to just turn it away around the corner, looking to play with soft hands. That's a dot ball. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 13 रन हुई 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. 37 to win of 36 balls. 36 balls and 37 runs to win the match. Very well driven. A good effort by Shreyas. Oh, this could be dangerous, but they are safely back home. They survived to fight another day. All is well and ends well. For a moment, the camp of the batting team had the heart in the mouth. Sanchit is bowling to Chinmay. 15 for 1, over number 3 underway. 52 win. Looking to just nudge it away into that backward of square leg area, missing the line. A dot ball. The score remains stationary on 15 for 1. Very well played on the rise. It's like the big wall, Shreyas Raut in that key mid-off position. Not easy to go past him. $17 for 1 with that single. The final delivery coming up in the over of Sanchit. Chinmay on strike. That's a no ball. 3 runs added, 3 plus 1, and it's also going to be a bonus time free hit. That is the free hit siren. 21 for 1. They are up and away, the batting team. They are in with an equal chance. In fact, they are starting to gain the momentum. Neither teams can afford to relax here. Chinmay has broken the shackles now. Is being very positive. He's taking the fight to the enemy camp. The score at the end of 3 overs is a very handsome 24 for 1. 26 required of 30 balls. With 9 wickets in hand, that tells you the story. Your guess is as good as mine. At the moment, the momentum is in the camp of the cheesy Super Kings, but still some way to go. Anything can happen. Neither of the teams can afford to be complacent. You have to be very ruthless in your approach. No room for charity. That strong desire to win has to be conveyed to the opponents. A very slow turn, then that can be very dangerous at times. Prasad is the new bowler. Very well played, very well played. That is such an intelligent shot into the declared zone. A couple added. Chinmay is making a big statement here with this fantastic innings. He's playing like a champion player. The remarkable thing about champions is how they win it and not what they win. How they win it is the most remarkable thing. Definitely will have to be a no ball. At the moment, the cheesy Super Kings are on cruise mode. They occupy a very healthy position. He's an absolute live wire, Shreyas, in that position. He can be so lethal in that key mid-off position. He knows that the job is cut out for the team at the moment. Both the teams, Selective 11 and the Cheesy Super Kings, have lost their first league match yesterday. So this match is the very important one. Very important one, this match. Both the teams are looking to get those first points on the board. Slow turn on offer. This is what he's looking to do. Just give good company to Chinmay. Jignashu has dropped anchor. He's playing the shit anchor role. He's going by the book. He's playing orthodox cricket. Chinmay is playing like how he always does, positively. Score at the end of 4 overs, 33 for 1. 17 more to win of 4 overs. 24 गेंदों में केवल 17 रन्स और बनाने हैं. 24 गेंदों में केवल 17. It's time for Team Selective 11 to think out of the box. They'll have to fall back upon their frontline bowlers. They need to break this partnership as the time is running out for the Selective 11. They have to be... $33 for 1. Hello. Shreyas to Chinmay. नो बॉल का इशारा, 2 रनों की बढ़त और फ्री हिट. What happened to the freed siren? क्या हुआ? Freed siren. This is the super over. So this over will go a long way in deciding the result of this match. Obviously, it goes without saying that Selective 11 need a couple of wickets in this over for those negative 20 marks, 20 runs. The only way that Selective 11 can be in contention is to get those 2 wickets and minus 20. That is the only thing that can make them stay in the match. For the moment, that's a no ball. It's been confirmed. जीत को इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो कि पूरी कायनात जुट जाए आपको आपकी मंजिल तक ले जाने में. ये अप्रोच होना चाहिए, ये एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए. कभी कभी मैच का नतीजा आपके रवैये पे निर्भर होता है. Well played. The strike back with Chinmay. 39 for 1. This is the super over. Oh, that was straight into his lap. They have missed out on a minus 10 scenario. 39. $41 for 1. Only 9 more to win now. Only 9 more to win. This is the super over. Playing very smartly, this man, Jignashu. तकनीक पर तवज्जो देते हुए ओवर की समाप्ति, सुपर ओवर मुकम्मल हो चुका है. 1 ball to go, it is 1 ball to go. One more ball, the final delivery in the super over. The faster one. 2 chances were created, both the chances go a-begging. That is the story for Selective 11. 5 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 43 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. आलम अब यह है 18 गेंदों में केवल और केवल 7 रनों की जरूरत है. 9 विकेट्स हाथ में है. सुपर ओवर भी हो चुका है. बड़ी तेज रफ्तार से जीत की तरफ बढ़ती हुई टीम चीजी सुपर किंग्स. संचित this is not going to help the cause. A little erratic Sanchit. Generally he is so spot on. He is one of the frontline bowlers. At the moment it is easy doing. Very clinical in their chase. They are playing with so much of precision. Chinmay has indeed made the biggest statement with the bat. He's come out with the fire in the bellies, firing on all cylinders. He's come out all guns blazing. What a big knock. What a useful knock. Jignashu is on to 24 of 21 balls. Nothing taking away from the knock of Jignashu. A terrific knock. He's one of the frontline batters and he's playing like a one. 48 for 1, 2 balls to go. It's starting to become hot and humid, sweaty palms, so you've got to keep that napkin on. You want to have a firm grip on the bat. Two runs added and also a free hit. A 50 for 1. They've accomplished the target. The target has been accomplished. The score at the end of 6 overs is 51. Yes, Cheesy Super Kings is showing the way how a big score can be chased down. You got to chase down this kind of a big total in blocks of 10 to 15 runs. Your first target is to score those 15 runs. The second target is to score those 30 runs, and then you go for that final throttle. Kailash back into the scheme of things. Jignashu the man on strike. 51 at the end of 6 overs. 18 balls left. उस सिंगल के साथ अब 52 रन्स बन चुके हैं, 52। Over number 6 underway. Over number 7 is underway. The second last over. What a terrific knock by Jignashu, and so ably supported by Chinmay. Just making sure that there are no further hiccups on the way. They're going by the book. They're treating the bowling on its merit. Both the batters doing what needs to be done. Good bit of work by Sanchit. Score after 7 overs is a very, very healthy 56. The final 6 balls to come. गौतम गेंदबाजी करेंगे चिन्मय को। 56 रन बन चुके हैं 7 ओवर के बाद। -5. Chinmay is gone. A lapse in concentration. They will be more than happy to see the back of Chinmay. Those negative marks will bring down the score to 51. 51. Still a pressure situation. Still a pressure situation. This match is not done and dusted yet. And the batting team obviously cannot afford to relax. A new man is in. It's time to put the noose around the neck of the batters. Time to put the pressure on. 5 balls to go. At the moment, the scoreline reads 51. 51 it is. It will be very difficult to pick up which way the ball goes from Gautam. He is the X-factor bowler. The first thing Gautam has to do is to land the ball in the right area. If he pitches the ball into that business area, he will be a handful. He will not be easy to play. He's got that odd action, a relatively unknown entity, so you don't know what he's going to dish out. Well bowled, well played. The very well set Jignashu. The man in the shining armor. One more wide run. .54. Last ball, and now they cannot afford to take a wicket. If they get a wicket, or even if it's a dot ball, it's going to be a tie. Oh, they scrape home. They scrape through. They scrape through just by the scruff of the neck. They were living dangerously. You do not want this kind of a match to go to the last ball. Team Selective 11 did well to take the match deep. Congratulations in the end. The way of team Cheesy Super Kings for winning the match, although it was a very, very narrow escape. The first points on the board for Cheesy Super Kings. Hard luck Team Selective 11. You all played so well. You all played such a fantastic game. Team Selective 11. Unfortunately not enough to go past the winning post. आज के दिन के सुबह का सेशन का ये आखिरी मैच टीम सुपरस्टार्स बनाम क्लासी राइडर्स. Match number 4 of the morning session, and then we get started with the evening session. That's going to be in the evening. The defending champion Superstars arriving to the center court. Hard luck Selective 11.